We have a tiny fish here. This is a juvenile sweetlip and it's moving about at a very hectic speed. And this is actually not very appealing, I think, to the viewer, but bear with me, there is a solution what we can do in video editing to fix this. And this is the opposite problem. We have these garden eels and they are sessile, they don't leave their burrows. And this is not particularly exciting to watch them. Now, of course, the very fast moving fish, the sweetlip, we slow down. So why is the fish moving like this? Supposedly this is a mimic, both in patterning as well as in movement, of a very poisonous flatworm. And this fish is operating at this high speed to evade predators. So we really learn something about the time scale of the behavior of this fish when we decide how much should we slow it down. So this, I slowed down 8 times, actually shot this at 240 frames per second with my TG7, which I think for that price is the best camera which has ever existed. So we now see all the movements still happening, and when we do the opposite, when we speed up the behavior of these garden eels, and in this case by a factor of 5, we again see quite interesting dynamics. We see how they come out of the sand after I've placed my action cam in the sand. And then I left, and then, they decided they have the safety again to come out of their holes. So again, here this factor of 5 of speeding things up tells us something about what is the time scale these eels think dangers come and go in their environment. So different brains tick at different speeds, different animals behave with different timescales, with different speeds. And why are they retracting back into the sand? Wait for it. Is there an evildoer which has approached them? So obviously these are not very bright fish. There are fish which are bright, eels among them are not, and so they cannot tell a scuba diver from a predatory fish. So I hope you enjoyed the footage, and this is really meant as a sign for how do you signal that there is a garden eel. New scuba sign here.